Hi, I'm Alan Smith, and this is Moss Mountain Farm. I designed this place to combine the spirit of a classic American farmstead like Thomas Jefferson's Monticello and George Washington's Mount Vernon, with of course many of the current innovations in earth-friendly and sustainable living. Moss Mountain Farm is my home, but it also serves as a set for my television shows, a teaching facility for testing new plant varieties and homesteading techniques, as well as a place for visitors to experience the beauty of the gardens and surrounding landscape. I designed this place around the garden home concept, where blurring the lines between inside and out creates a real connection with nature. Everything has a sense of place, like it belongs here and blends seamlessly with the beautiful landscape overlooking the Arkansas River Valley. On your visit, you're invited to tour many of the garden rooms I've created here at the farm. My home is open for you to explore. The interior design reflects the spirit of the garden, furnished with a blend of antique and modern pieces. Of course, no farm is complete without the pitter-patter of paws, claws, and hooves to make it all complete. And you'll see more than your fair share on your visit. Believe me, we won't let you leave without a scratch behind the ears. During your visit, you'll be treated to a delicious meal from my cookbook, Seasonal Recipes from the Garden. Whether it's a private tour, a special event, a party, or even a wedding, I'm sure that you'll find your visit here at Moss Mountain Farm as enjoyable as I enjoy sharing it. I hope you'll come see us soon.